Primary power grids consist of a complex fabric of generation plants, substations, transformers, and transmission lines that supply electricity to cities, businesses, and industry. In addition to primary power grids, there exist smaller independent power grids called microgrids or remote grids. Microgrids provide power to islands, rural areas, and in remote operations that have limited or no access to primary grid power. Traditionally, microgrids use diesel generators and diesel backup systems for electricity. In some microgrids, integration of renewable energy, such as wind and solar arrays, are used in combination with diesel generators. However, because they are limited in capacity to generate energy, microgrids are susceptible to potential inefficiencies that include high fuel consumption and reliability issues. Microgrids must continually manage fluctuations in demand and generation to maintain a 60 Hz frequency, which is a requirement for maintaining grid stability. Interruptions in this frequency can lead to power quality issues that can result in brownouts and, in some cases, even blackouts. To regulate frequency, it is estimated that 10% of total generation capacity must be reserved for managing fluctuations in demand and generation. This reserved capacity is used to ramp power up or down to increase or decrease electricity to the grid, while the other 90% is dedicated to baseload power. However, ramping isn't the most efficient use of generators. It consumes more fuel and increases transportation costs. It creates wear and tear on the equipment, increases maintenance costs, and leads to higher carbon emissions. Microgrids are also susceptible to the intermittent nature of wind and solar power generation. Variations in wind or partly cloudy days may cause significant minute-to-minute fluctuations in output. In response, diesel generators must ramp even harder and more frequently to smooth variations in renewable generated power, further increasing costs associated with ramping. AlterNano offers a rechargeable, quick-response energy storage system that delivers real and reactive power to the microgrid. The building block of the AlterNano energy storage system is the AltE-ESS, a 1 megawatt configuration solution capable of dynamically discharging up to 1 megawatt over a 15-minute period or less when needed. The AltE-ESS reduces the need to ramp diesel generators, allowing them to run more often at optimal efficiency or be shifted entirely to backup power. This results in lower fuel consumption and fuel transportation costs, extends the life of diesel assets, reduces wear and tear, and lowers carbon emissions. As a resource and a partner, AlterNano helps operators to reduce costs, increase grid stability, and improve the reliability of microgrids.